Yerlay Medina Aguilera. I am a student, University Corporation of the CARIBE CECAR. Today I will present you the question. Question 1. How's your coffee friend? My coffee friend is Mafe Salazar. 2. How did you meet? I meet Mafe in Bogota. I meet in church. 3. How many friends do you have on social? In social network and have 10 friends. 4. What were your friends when you were growing up? My friends are Ingles Burgos and Paola Garcia. 5. Do you have any friends that have exciting lights? Yes, I have friends. 6. Explain ways. Mafe, my friends like to ride motocross. Paola, my friends play soccer.